The Nuphy Halo96 V2 wireless keyboard is an impressive addition to any gaming setup, and it's designed with both style and functionality in mind. With a 96% hot-swappable layout, this keyboard offers a comfortable typing experience while allowing you to customize your switches to fit your preferences. The Mint switches, rated at 37 GF, provide a tactile feedback that enhances your gaming sessions and typing comfort. One of the standout features of the Halo96 V2 is its gasket structure. This design element not only contributes to the keyboard's aesthetic appeal, but also helps in dampening sound and providing a softer feel during use. The semi-transparent bottom case, crafted with double-shot molding, allows for stunning RGB backlighting that creates a vibrant atmosphere while you're gaming or working. The 99 keys are illuminated perfectly, making it easy to see even in low-light conditions. Connectivity is versatile, with options for Bluetooth, USB-C, and 2.4 GHz wireless connections. This means you can easily switch between devices such as laptops, PCs, tablets, and even mobile devices. The compatibility with multiple operating systems, including macOS, Windows, Linux, Android, and iOS, ensures that this keyboard can adapt to any environment you choose to use it in. At a price point of $159.99, the Nuphy Halo96 V2 offers excellent value, especially considering the 30-day refund replacement policy and included product support. Whether you're a gamer or someone who spends a lot of time typing, this keyboard is built to handle it all without compromising on performance or comfort. In conclusion, the Nuphy Halo96 V2 wireless keyboard is a stellar choice for anyone looking to elevate their typing or gaming experience. With its sleek design, customizable switches, and impressive connectivity options, it undoubtedly stands out as one of the best mechanical keyboards on the market today.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.